What's up, everyone? T. Smolla here, and here I am today with Gary, JonesPosse. And today we're going to do some power trails out in the country, but the catch is we're going to try to get as many as we can without getting out of the vehicle. And that is why there's no door on this side. Last time we did this, we did about 30 or so.
30 of 100.
But I think that this time we could probably do 100 without getting out of the vehicle. This is lazy caching.
So we go this way, and that way to 100 caches. And it looks like there's at least 100 for us. At least.
There's just so many caches here, it's ridiculous. A lot of power trails, so let's get started.
Awesome.
Yes, he had to get out for the first one. I found this one before I met up with him. Oh, I pushed it farther up there. There we go. It's not behind that. Oh, it's on the ground. Grab her. Oh! Doesn't get much lazier than that. We're back. Perfect. All right, Gary's gonna see if he can get one. Is it on the ground? Ah, perfect. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, watch it. Where could this one be? Hey, that's only like what, the third one you've jumped for?
Another all
Black moldy looking one.
Yeah. By July? I don't think so.
Not at the rate it's going. They probably just planted this stuff.
I think it fell in.
Yay! I told you, sign. That thing right there. We're looking for a letterbox in a cemetery now, and we're not having a lot of luck. Went right by it. Stamp for you. Squirt gun. This stuff's good. Quick refueling. He looks like he's just having fun. So that's going to do it for today. Gary's getting his Jeep back in order. We think we found, you know, at least 100 caches today. I don't know how many of those we did without ever actually leaving the vehicle, but it was probably over 90 at least. So just a really unique caching day, and a good little boost in numbers before my trip later this summer, where I hope to hit my milestone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.